Jenny Jarvis and I'm a coach. I work on big change, and one of the big changes I like to help with is money mindset. So here's my video all about why money mindset and unleashing your money mindset can benefit you. Are you a person that talks, thinks, worries, complains about money every day? Is it always on your mind? There's not enough to pay the bills, there's not enough to go shopping with, there's not enough to get the things that you want, or perhaps it's, oh gosh, I can't charge my clients this, they'll never pay it. And you jump into other people's pockets and you guess what's in theirs and what they can afford. And when you do that, you stop yourself from charging your worth and what they're going to get out of you as a business owner. And if this sounds like you, our money mindset workshop is for you. We're here to unleash our money mindsets, and we do it in a holistic way. We look at the past, we look at the present, and we look at the future. And combined with Rafe's expertise on family constellation therapy, he deals with the past, and he has got decades of working with people in this sort of field. I myself add neurolinguistic programming and coaching to the mix. So it's a really interactive workshop where you come out at the end and your mindset will have shifted. We've had amazing testimonials from people who have said it's like a light switch has just gone. 1 minute they're worried about something and the very next moment there's no worries there at all. And that's the beauty of this workshop. It's a really quick mindset shift. And some people come on it several times. Not because they didn't get anything out of it the first time, but because they got so much out of it, they know they can get more and move that next step forward. So if you're interested in unleashing your money mindset, go onto my website at www.jennyjarvis.co.uk and take action today and book your space. So now you know the first steps to unleashing your money mindset. So don't forget to like and subscribe and press all the buttons that you need to press. And also remember to have a powerful day.